a majority of students does use AI, and this is no surprise, but I was more interested by the fact that a majority of students, really a big majority of students, seems to think that they really know how to use AI. They're fully confident that their use of AI is the good one, the professional one, the ones that has to be done the way they do. I'm not sure, and I think that we even need classes on the use of AI in every possible teaching institution. We need students to have ad hoc hours. I'm not talking about anymore about a training here. I'm talking about ad hoc classes where they are taught all what pertains, all what relates to AI, meaning the impact, the importance, the dangers, and also the integrity that there is